I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Chicken from my face.
What's going on, man? I feel like I've seen you before. Arkansas, Alabama?
Alabama.
Yep, yeah, you made that drive. You stay over in Alabama, right?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, how was that drive for you?
Other than Atlanta, great.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Coming up the mountains and stuff is the hard part, ain't it?
I made it here on less than taking fuel.
Oh yeah, you were good to go. yeah.
This truck does great. Mountains don't bother. It doesn't bother.
You just good to go.
Next year though, I'm gonna add 4 more.
Go put it on the trail lane.
I promise to go drive.
Yeah, hey, that's how I am. I need to drive.
I'm hard-headed.
Hey, it's something about driving. You're gonna get that experience driving it, man. And there's too much extra stuff having a trailer and stuff. So, man, where can they find you out on social media, man?
Thomas Bumpin' Ugly Strictland on Facebook and Bumpin' Ugly on Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah, I know we friends. I'll be sure to tag down below, man. Appreciate what you running here, man, in case they don't know.
It's two X18 V3s on a Salt A. Wired low.
Yeah, that's all you need to say. That's no. Appreciate it, bro. I'll see you next time, man. I'll probably see you back in Alabama next time we get together.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, you still rolling? Yeah, you still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.